Hey guys, my name's Mike, and today I'm here to talk to you about the most common questions we get about our financing opportunities. Financing can be a scary term, given a bad connotation by industries like car dealerships. The truth is this, financing can be a great way to fund larger projects without having to drain your bank account, as long as the terms of the loan are transparent and there are no surprises. And that's what I'd like to do here today. By the end, you should feel confident deciding if financing is right for you, and if so, which plan best fits your budget. We most commonly get asked questions like this. Do you have interest-free loans? What are prepayment penalties? What does same as cash, traditional, and long-term mean? Here's the hard reality when it comes to long-term no-interest loans. You're still paying a heavy price for long-term no-interest loans. Every loan has a fee associated with it, but think about it. What bank gives money away for free? This fee that they add is the percentage of the loan that the bank charges to the seller, most commonly referred to as the dealer fee. These fees are always baked into the price of the project. 3-year and more interest-free loans have about a 20% dealer fee. This means that 20% of your contract is just to cover the cost of issuing the loan. We feel this is unfair to the customer. In most cases, our traditional loans with interest will cost the customer less over time. This is why we're happy to offer shorter interest-free loans in terms of 6, 12, and 18 months. These loans are also considered same as cash loans. Same as cash means there's no mandatory monthly payment. You can pay it all off in the first month, on the last day, or spread it out however fits your budget. Prepayment penalties are costs that are associated with paying off your loan early. The great thing is that with every financing plan we offer has no prepayment penalties. This is a great perk. With this, we can offer long-term traditional loans with very low monthly payments at almost no risk to you. If extra money comes in and you want to pay it off early, that's great. Save some money on interest, but you won't be locked into a high payment that's unaffordable or causes you to default on the loan in the case of a medical or a family emergency. Traditional loans are plans that most people who have purchased a car or a home in the past would be most familiar with. It is a plan with a set length and interest rate with a monthly payment. These options are great for people who are trying to keep their monthly payment down to a minimum. We offer these traditional loans in lengths of 5, 10, and 15 years with an interest rate of only 6.99%. Most homeowners can get a loan in this category for around $150 a month. And don't forget, it could be paid off early at any time with no prepayment penalties. So take some time, review your budget, see if any of these plans make sense for you. If you have any questions, don't worry. Our team is always available and ready to help find the right plan for you. As always, thank you for considering Rapid Restore. We're excited for the opportunity to work with you on your most important investment, your home.